back to another video. Today we're just fishing here at the Nepean River again. Got my new gear, carp gear, bite alarms, which is pretty cool, excited to use. And we've already caught one, but I haven't done the intro for that, so this is just going to be an intro for that. So you'll see one after this. So let's see what we can catch with Alex and his dad. So let's hope we can catch some more. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Ooh, come on, you can't reach it. Oh, it's gonna go around that pole.
Crap.
Come around here,
Oh, it's a massive one.
Get him into.
Oh no.
Steelhead?
Oh yeah.
Do you want me to turn your GoPro on for you?
I did.
Take your time, bro. Don't put too much pressure on. Here you come.
I never fought a big one like this, so.
Oh, redemption, sis. He's coming, bro. Yeah, you've got him.
Come on. I think this might be a PB.
I can see some color. Oh. Isn't that big? Maybe it's just because he was in the current.
Oh yeah, true. No, yeah, because.
Is it a mirror?
Hope so.
It actually looks like a mirror.
Oh, it's a koi! It's a koi! Oh yes, thank you. Holy! Look at that one. Nice. Wild koi. That's cool.
There you go.
Thank you.
68. Oh, you gotta release it.
Alright. Recording?
Yeah.
Releasing this nearly 70 centimeter koi.